Jim Rogers, a world-renowned investor, on Saturday praised China's dedication to promoting high-level openness, highlighting its benefits for both China and the world.
Everything I read from the APEC meeting and gathering, everything I read about China these days, is that Beijing has determined that it's going to continue to open up. It's going to continue to engage with the outside world. And as you know, China's had a huge, gigantic growth in the last 40 years when they opened up to the outside world. So it has been good for China. It has been good for the world. China has 1.4 billion people. It's an economy which has boomed in the last 40 years. It's extremely important to the world. It's changed the world. Look at what it's done to Korea. Korea has grown enormously as trade with China has grown. Japan, everybody has been very, very strongly affected by what's happened in China, including America. Now we have gigantic trade and profits for China and for America. As I say, look at Korea, look at Vietnam, look at Singapore, look at Asia, look at America. All that's happened in China has been good for China, but it's been very good for the world.